Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
The 699cc three-cylinder high-speed water-cooled engine has a compression ratio of up to 13.0 to 1 and a bore-stroke ratio of 1.2 to 1. The engine has a stable power output of over 102 horsepower, 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.07 seconds, and a top speed of over 250 km per hour. The superb power performance, coupled with a high-pitched and powerful sound, keeps the 703RR always in high spirits, and is also designed for track adventures. The aluminum alloy double-wing beam frame, independently developed and manufactured by Zontes, has an integrated main and subframe. Main frame weighs 12 kilograms, the subframe weighs 2.5 kilograms. The front ram air intake technology utilizes the strong wind pressure at high speeds to greatly improve the intake efficiency, thereby further increasing horsepower output. The front daytime running lights are as dazzling as diamonds, keeping the rider visible. The built-in fixed spoiler is cleverly integrated with the entire vehicle, generating strong downforce at high speeds. The aluminum alloy hollow rear flat fork is formed in one piece, cleverly combining the material and casting technology with lightweight and high strength. Michelin Power 6 high-performance semi-slick sports tire, 180 width rear tire. Equipped with a forged multi-link rear suspension that is rare in vehicles of the same class, it not only greatly improves the high-speed stability of the vehicle, but also effectively filters road bumps and improves riding comfort. Meizu adjustable front/rear shock absorbers. The front shock absorber has adjustable functions of preload, recovery damping and compression damping. The rear shock absorber has adjustable functions of preload and recovery damping, which can be freely adjusted according to personal settings. Choice of Brembo or J1 opposed 4-piston radial front calipers. Lightweight aluminum alloy rims and wide rims adopt ultra-lightweight internal hollow design, which ensures strength and toughness, while making the whole vehicle lighter and accelerating more responsively. Utilizing DID brand 525 high-quality oil seal chain. The 3.0 generation keyless control system supports communication and real-time communication with ECU, instruments, etc. It is equipped with 4G, GPS and Bluetooth functions, dual comfort and sport modes, one-touch switching. The Phone Smart app allows you to operate your ride with one click and accompanies you every moment of your travel. The 6.75-inch TFT full-color LCD instrument makes every journey more colorful. The multifunction button handle switches adopts an integrated design, and the button characters adopt a fluorescent glow dispensing process to achieve self-luminescence of the characters at night. 16L galvanized and painted fuel tank to prevent fuel filter blockage and tank leakage caused by rust. The electronically controlled fuel tank lock is easy to open and close, eliminating the hassle of unlocking with a key. 6R lithium battery, smaller size, lighter weight, better low-temperature discharge performance and longer service life. Type A plus Type C dual-port fast charging charger. The charger supports most fast charging protocols such as QC 2.0/3.0, Huawei, Samsung, Apple, etc. The 703RR comes standard with heated handlebars, providing thoughtful protection for winter riding. The uniquely shaped bottom-mounted muffler lowers the center of gravity of the vehicle. A new product is designed based on the double-wing beam frame structure, with a single arc-shaped water-cooled radiator placed in the middle. The key components such as heat pipes, heat sinks, and fans are redesigned. The traction control system TCS can monitor the operating status of the vehicle's front and rear wheels in real time, ensuring that the vehicle is more stable and prevents skidding when dealing with various complex road conditions, providing greater safety for riders. The dual-channel ABS system allows the driver to control the vehicle calmly when encountering emergencies. One-way electronic quick shift. The ECU controls the power output of the engine at the moment of gear shifting. So now you know more about the Zontes 703RR. Please let me know in the comments your thoughts regards Mad Mick.